Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the secret hack to slay denim dream look in Dress to Impress. So if you're looking to serve major denim energy in GTI, in this video, I'm revealing the secret outfit hack that will help you pull off the ultimate denim dream look. So what you need to do is just prepare or choose the silicone and the hair and makeup first, and then choose any tops and bottoms that you want. You can put skirt, you can put on pants, anything that you want. So let's say I'm going to use this tops right here. I'm going to change it into white, and now I'm going to put on some jackets. So I'm going to go to the men's sections and put on, I think, this jackets right here. So what you need to do, change it into a denim material by going to this plus icon, and you'll see denim, and change the color into blue. You can choose the blue shades that you want. I'm going to go with the second one in here, and for the second color I'm going to go with white, so it will go this look. And let's find some pants in here. I'm going to let's try the skirt. I think this one's right here. Okay, I'm going to put on the same color, and here again you can change the material into denim. So this is the final look for the denim outfit. You can use any accessories that you want, like the shoes or the earrings and everything. But that's basically it. That's how you can create the denim look in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.